ॐ चैतन्यं सर्वगं सर्वं सर्वभूतगुहाश्रयं यत्सर्वविषयातीतं तस्मै सर्वविदे नमः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। In Upadesha Sahasri, 17th chapter, Samyangmati Prakaranam. In this, the Acharya is indicating that Jiva who has understood his Brahmatvam, that Jiva is no more Jiva, he is Brahma, he is being worshipped by even Devatas. And therefore, he is not under the control of Devatas. He is not a Pashu for Devata. This is based on the Brahadaranyaka Shruti, which we saw last time. And then he has attained immortality. Tamevam vidwan amrita iha bhavati. Nanyah pantha vidyate anaya. Further, 74th shloka, introduction, page 240. Yaduktam satyasandho vimuchyate iti tatsputayati. This was said in shloka 66. Satyasandho vimuchyate. This is based on Chandogya Upanishad, 6th chapter. I think I explained last time. Taptaparashu Nyaya is given. So the one who has associated himself or herself with truth, he is Satyasandha. And what is the truth? I am Brahma and Jagat is Mithya. For that person, he is not burnt by the world. Person who does not know this, he gets into the activities vyavahara, and now and then he will have suffering, and then he will blame everybody else for his problems. So that is now Sphutayati. Clearly it is said that. In Shruti it is said then he is punished by the king and he is imprisoned, etc. In other words, Ajnani will get bandhanam, Ajnani will get dukkham, Ajnani will be proved false, Ajnani will be proved a liar because he is holding on to untruth. I am Deha, Jagat is Satyam, Ananda is somewhere else, etc. Ahameva sadatmajnah shunyastvanyairyathambaram ityevam satyasandhatvad dasadhata na badyate. Ahameva sadatmajnah shunyastvanyairyathambaram इत्येवं सत्यसंधत्वा दशधाता न बध्यते. अहमेव सदात्मज्ञः. अन्यैहि शून्यः यथा अंबरम इति एवं सत्यसंधत्वात् असद्धाता न बध्यते. दिस इज द अन्वय. अहमेव सदात्मज्ञः. सदात्मज्ञः, if somebody does the samasa, sada atmajnah, and atmajnah vigraha will be, let us say, if somebody says is shashti tatpurusha. Atmajnah atmanam janati iti atmajnah. If you do this kind of vigraha, then I am sada atmajnah. Means I always know, I always knew Atma. That will be the meaning. But that is not true, because there was a time when that Jiva was Ajnani. Then he gets Brahmakar Vritti. Then only he becomes Jnani. So that Jiva cannot say Aham Sada Atmajnah. He is not always Atmajnah. Atmajnatvam happens only after Brahmakar Vritti. So the Samasa Vigraha, Tikakar has shown Sadatma cha asau gnyaschya iti sadatmagnya. Karmadhara Samasa he has done. I am Sadatma, Sadrupa Atma, and Jnaha means Jnana Rupa. So I am Sat and Chit Rupa Atma. That is the meaning of Sadatmagnya. Instead of I am always the knower of Atma. So Samasa Vigraha is done in this way. Anyehi Shunyah. In me there is no Anya. Na Anyaha, this is 7th chapter of Chandogya. Nanyat Pashyati, Nanyat Shrunoti, Nanyat Vijanati, Sabhuma. So Anyehi Shunya. Yatha Ambaram, like Akasha is devoid of any other. Or you say Anyehi Shunya means Ekam Evadvitiyam. If you use 6th chapter of Chandogya. Those who are not familiar with some of these things, they should just go on noting and ask somebody else for all these references or pointers. And those who have studied also, then they should also make note. Iti evam satyasandhatvat, because he is satyasandha, asadhata na badyate. How do you split asadhata?
Asad
What? Asad?
Hata.
Ata. Means asataha ata. This is the vigraha. Hata means?
Yage.
Ya vibhakti. Hada.
One who has given up, one who has done the tyaga of asat is hata.
That was my question. Hatri Pratipadika. Hata is Prathama. Hata means the one who has given up. The one who gives up asat. Navadyate. Then he is not bound. Why? Because he is Satyasandha, Satyasandhatvat. See टीका. सदात्मा च असौ ज्ञश्च इति सदात्मज्ञः तत्सत्यं स आत्मा इति श्रुतिः इह उदाहरणम्. तत्सत्यं स आत्मा. So ahameva sadatmagnyah. What is the, how do you say I am sadrupa atma? So tat satyam sa atma tattvamasi. This is the shruti. Anyehi shunya. See, anyehi shunya, how it is given here. Anyehi shunya iti vacharamana shrutyartho darshitaha. When it is said karanam alone is sat, karyam is vacharambanam. Vacharambanam vikaro namadheyam mrittiketyeva satyam. Or you use Saptama Adhyaya also. Next shloka is referring to 7th chapter of Chandogya. Yatha ambaram iti drishya samsarga shunyatvat shuddha ityatra drishtantoktihi. Anyehi shunya means there is no anya which is satya. Anya mithya is plenty. Satya is only Atma. Yatha ambaram. Akasha is drishya samsarga shunyatvat, shuddha. Any drishya vastu which is there in Akasha, with that Akasha doesn't have any samsarga. Samsarga shunyatvat. Shuddha iti atra drishtantoktihi. In this is drishtanta. Akasha is the drishtanta. Akasha you can also say because from Akasha, Vayu, Teja, Apaha, Prithvi, their utpatti is shown. So Akasha is karanam for all, and at the same time it is asanga. Asadhata amrita abhisandhi rahitaha taskara iva na badhyate bandhanarthahino bhavati. Asadhata amrita abhisandhi rahitaha. Amrita means false, mithya. He is not holding on to asad vastu. A jnani knows what not to hold on to. And this is the greatness or difference between jnani and ajnani. Other than Atma, if you hold on to anything else, you will suffer. Asadhata andrita abhisandhi rahitaha taskara iva. Taskara means like a thief. Taskara iva na badhyate. Yatha taskaro badhyate tatha na. Taskara is andrita abhisandhihi. A jnani is not like taskara, so he is not going to get bound. Bandha anartha hino bhavati. Bandha eva anartha tad hino bhavati asadhata. He will not have any anartha in the form of bandhana. So we should understand the deeper implication of the word bandha. Anything can bind us. So if we have to do some work in our whatever ashrama that we are in, we should do it with total detachment. Then it will not create problems for us at mental level. Otherwise, there is bandhana. Sa yatha tatra na dahyate. So the one who doesn't have bandhana, then na dahyate, he is not going to get bound. This is referring to 6:16. This is the last mantra actually. Sa yatha tatra na dahyate. 6:16:3, if I'm not wrong. Aitadātmyamidam sarvam tat satyam sa atma tattvamasi shvetaketu. Tadhasya vijagnyau, tadhasya vijagnyau. After this, Shvetaketu understood the teaching, So, what is given here? That if I hold on to truth, then I am liberated. Further now. Evam vidha jnana bhavaditare पशुभूताः शोच्या भवन्ति इति दर्शयन् अथ ये अन्यथातो विदुरन्यराजानस्ते क्षय्यलोका भवन्ति, not अक्षय्यलोका, क्षय्यलोका. खंडाकार you have to remove. क्षय्यलोका भवन्ति इति श्रुत्यर्थम आह. एवं विध ज्ञाना भावात, in the absence of jnanam. Those who have jnanam, they have different path. Those who don't have jnanam, jnana abhavat itare, what happens to them? Pashu bhutaha. They are like pashu. Pashu bhutaha. Shrocha bhavanti. They are worth grieving. Iti darshayan. Atha ye anyathato vidur anya rajanas. So they know anyatha. Anyatha means otherwise than what jnani knows, they don't know that. They are anyathataha viduhu. Ataha anyatha viduhu. Then what jnani knows, they know differently. So then who are they? Anya rajanaha. Anya rajanaha. Te bhavanti. Anya rajanaha, how will you do samasa vigraha? Anya means paraha. Raja means swami. Anyaha paro raja swami yesham te anya rajanaha. Means anyo raja yesham te anya rajana. Those who have somebody else ruling over them. Means they are not master of their kingdom. Somebody else is there who is their master. Means they are always looking for some favor, looking for some blessings from somebody. And they always think when they do something, then everything will be all right. When this person does it, then everything will be all right. They don't understand I am Brahma. I don't have any problem. When I think I am Ahankar, then I have all problems, and those problems are bound to be there because I have done all nonsense karmas. So those problems will not go away, no matter who blesses me. So best thing is cleanse all those papa that you have done and seek forgiveness from Bhagavan and continue to walk on that path. No need of going here, there for some other favor. Anya rajanaha te kshayaloka bhavanti. Kshayaloka means those whose loka attainment or achievement. Lokyate bhujyate iti lokaha. Anything that is experienced, it is all kshaya. Means it is subject to decay, it is anitya. Kshaya lokaha te bhavanti. Kshayo loko yesham te kshaya lokaha. On the other hand, for Jnani, they will have Nitya Sukham. Ajnani will have Anitya Sukham. That is, constantly you get something and then it is gone. Iti Shrutyartham aha. So this Shruti Artha is given in the next shloka. Now this is Chandogya 7:25-2, I think. 7:25-2. कृपणास्तेऽन्यथैवातो विदुर्ब्रह्म परं हि ये स्वराड्योऽनन्यदृक् स्वस्थस् तस्य देवा असन्वशे कृपणास्तेऽन्यथैवातो विदुर्ब्रह्म परं हि ये स्वराड्योऽनन्यदृक् स्वस्थस् तस्य देवा असन्वशे ते कृपणाः, they are pitiable. Shochyaha, they are worth grieving, such people. Worth grieving means even when they are alive, you think, oh, what kind of life they are living. And if we are doing that, then we are kripanaha. Te anyatha eva ato viduhu. Ataha anyatha eva viduhu. They are the ones who know anyatha only. Anyatha from who? Yehi param brahma viduhu. Ataha anyatha eva te viduhu. Te kripanaha. Those who know param brahma, these people know other than that. That's why they are kripanaha. Yo ananyadrik swarat swasthaha. On the other hand, the one who is ananyadrik means brahmajnani, abhedajnani, na anyadrik vidyate yasya, sa ananyadrik. Who understands there is only one drashta and that drashta I am. He is swasthaha, swasmin sthaha. Tasya deva asanvashe. In Purusha Suktam this comes. Tasya deva asanvashe rishchate lakshmishcha patnyo. So this is from Purusha Suktam, Taittiriya Aranyaka. The meaning of that part is Tasya deva. Asan means asan. Actually, it is a chandas prayoga. Vashe. Vashe asan. The one who knows this, devatas are also under his control. So our objective is not to control devatas. Our objective is only to become free from bandhana. This is given so that this is prashansa of Brahma Vidya. Brahma Vidya makes you so great that you don't have to do any karma which are otherwise done for the devatas to please them. So you don't need to do anything. In that context, all this is given. Ye param brahma ato anyathaiva ukta vaiparityena anatma bhutataya vidus ते ही कृपणाः शोच्या एव इति योजना। ये ही परम ब्रह्म अतो अन्यथा एव उक्त वैपरीत्येन विदुः। Those who know that Param Brahma in different way. Param Brahma in different way means they don't know Param Brahma as one's own self. That is who I am. That Sat is me. In this way, they don't know. How do they know? Either they don't know at all, either Apratipatti or Vipratipatti or Anyatha Pratipatti, some problem they have. Either they don't know or know it erroneously or know exactly opposite something. अन्यथा एव उक्त वैपरीत्येन अनात्म भूततया विदुः। दे नो ब्रह्म एज अनात्मा। Anatma is some jada padartha other than one's own self. They do some kalpana. Te hi kripanaha shocha eva iti yojana. They are kripanaha. Abhedadarshi tu na kripanaha ityaha. Abhedadarshi is not kripana. Abhedadarshi means that ananyadrik. He is not kripanaha. Kripanaha shabda, you know where it comes in Upanishad?
बृहदारण्यक।
Where?
याज्ञवल्क्य जी tells Gargi.
Good. That mantra says, etadaksharam aviditva asman lokat praiti sakripanaha. And etadaksharam viditva asman lokat praiti sa brahmanaha. One is kripanaha, another is brahmanaha. In this way he distinguishes. Ajnani means kripanaha, jnani means brahmana. Abhedadarshi is not kripanaha. Ityaha. Swarat iti. He is a swarat. Swayam rajate. Somewhere it is said, he is like samrat. The swarat, samrat, same. Sam upasarga purvak rat. Means rajate. Samyak rajate, it is samrat. He shines very well. Iti shrutihi iha udaharanam. Tasya sarveshu lokeshu kamacharo bhavati. Iti shrutyarthe mantra bhagodaharanena atmaratim dyotayati. Or did we miss something? One line we missed. Evam vijanan. See in Tika, third line. Evam vijanan. आत्मरतिः आत्मक्रीड आत्ममिथुनः आत्मानन्दः स स्वराट् भवति इति श्रुतिः इह उदाहरणम्. Evam vijanan, the one who knows in this way, Atma, not different from one's own self, Brahma as Atma, one's own self, then he is Atmaratihi, Atmakridaha, Atma Mithunaha, Atmanandaha, and Swarat. 5 pointers or names are given for Jnani. He is Atmaratihi. What is Atmarati? Atmarati means Atmani eva ratihi Atmaratihi. Ajnani's Ramanam is in some Anatma. Jnani will have Atmarati only as a result of Mananam and Nididhyasanam. When he does this so much, Atmani eva ratihi Ramanam yasya saha Atmaratihi. Atma-krida means Atmani eva krida. There is no other padartha, external object for krida. Krida means sport, any play. You have some toy, you have some ball, you do this, that, something. You have phone. That is some anatma krida. Atma krida means I don't need anything. I am still happy. Atma mithunah. Mithunah means companion. Who is Jnani's companion? He says, Atma alone is my companion. Atma mithunah. So that's why when you take sannyasa, then from that day you have to practice this. You don't need company. You don't need anybody. You are by yourself and you should feel very happy. If a person doesn't know how to feel happy by themselves, neither they are fit for sannyasa nor they will have this Atma mithunah, Atma ratihi, Atma kridah. These words will not be appropriate for them. Atmananda, and he is Atmananda. So mithunam means actually dvandva janita sukham. So for a jnani, there is no such dvandva. Atma alone, Advaitin he is. Where is the question of dvandva? Atmanandaha. So Atma anando yasya. Saha Atmananda. Or Atma asau anandaha. For others, Ananda is in the form of Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. From there, Ananda will come. Or Jnani, Atmananda. Saswarat Bhavati. Iti Shrutihi Iha Udaharanam. So all these are given in 725.2. Chandogya. And Tasya Sarveshu Lokeshu Kamacharo Bhavati. For such a jnani, he can go to any loka. Kamachara means Yatha Kama Charanam. Wherever he wants, he can go. Wherever he wants, he can go means he knows I am already there and I don't need to go anywhere. What is there to go? Sarveshu Lokeshu Kamacharo Bhavati. Iti Shrutyarthe mantra bhagodaharanena atmaratim dyotayati. So this atmarati, atmakrida, this is the mantra of Chandogya quoted to refer to this. Tasya, now Tasya Deva Asanvashe. Asan ityarthe asan iti chandasam. The actual shabda is asan. Tasya vashe deva asan. Instead of that, here it is given asan. Asan shabda is as bhuvi dhatu vidhiling bahuvachan, I think. Lang lakar. Lang lakar bahuvachan. Pratham purush bahuvachan. Asan. Tasya deva vashe asan. How it is given in Upurusha Suktam, that is given here in the quotation. Yastvevam brahmano vidyat tasya deva asanvashe. Iti mantrasya ayam artha. This is the mantra. What is the meaning? Yastvevam brahmano brahmanishtaha. Evam vidyat. Middle portion you leave, vidyat. Brahmanaha brahmanishtaha evam vidyat tasya deva asanvashe vashagaha bhavanti. Devatas are under his control. This is the main idea. Yastvevam brahmano brahmanishthah evam vidyat evam vedahametam purusham mahantam iti ukta prakarena brahmatmanam vidyat. Vedahametam purusham mahantam. Mahantam, what is the pratipadika?
Mahan.
No. Pratipadika.
Mahat.
Mahat. Mahat. Now in Mahat, Nakara comes Num Agama. What is the sutra? Ubidacham Sarvanamasthane Adhatoho. Iti Num Agama. And then Mahat, how Dirgha, Mahanta. How Dirgha will come? Santa Mahatasya Sanyoga. Santa Mahata Sanyogasya. Santa Mahata Sanyogasya. Number for the first Ubidacham 7170. Santa Mahata Sanyogasya 6410. So Nakar Upadha Dirgha will happen. So Mahantam, Vedahametam, Purusham Mahantam. Aham Etam Mahantam Purusham Veda. So when we generally chant Purushuktam, we are in rush to finish because most of the time we have Bhandara after that. It is already late when Purusha Suktam is chanted. Or some puja is there and you chant. But we have to think of these things. He understands, I am this Brahma. And there it is this Virat. Vedahametam Purusham Mahantam. Etam Mahantam Purusham Aham Veda. And Ajayamano Bahudha Vijayate. That Chaitanya Brahma, even though it is birthless, appears to have birth. Tasya Deva Ashanvase. Brahmatmanam Vidya Tasya Vidusho Deva Vashagaha Bhavanti. Vasham Gachanti iti Vashagaha. Devatas are under his Vasha. So Jnani is Kritakritya. That is explained now. Yasmad Yathokta Atma Jnana Deva Kritakrityata. Tasman Mumukshubhis Tadartham Yatnavad Bhir Bhavetavyam iti Tan Chikshayan Aha. Yasmad Yathokta Atma Jnana Deva Kritakrityata. By this Atma Jnanam itself, he is Kritakritya. He doesn't want anything. He is fulfilled. Kritakrityata Tasmad Mumukshubhihi Tad Artham Yatnavadbhihi Bhavetavyam. Tasman Mumukshubhihi Yatnavadbhihi. The one who is a Mumukshu and who is putting forth so much effort, Yatnavadbhihi Bhavetavyam. Mumukshubhihi Yatnavadbhihi Bhavetavyam. Yatnavadbhihi Bhavetavyam is a Bhavarupa Prayoga. In other words, Yatnavan Bhavet. Mumukshu Yatnavan Bhavet. Mumukshu should strive for Atma Jnanam. When I know that my effort is going to be all fruitful only when it is towards Atma Jnanam. and it is going to be absolutely useless when I invest in anything else. Where should I put forth my effort? Why should I do anything which is not going to lead me to moksha? And I have heard so much, it is anitya sukham, it is dukkha mishrita sukham, it is this, that, and I don't know how to get out of where I have put my hand. It is like a jar, and some chanas are there. The monkey puts his hand inside, and now he doesn't want to let go of those. So his hand cannot come out because the fist is too big. So I should not spend any time, according to Shastra, where I know I am just wasting my time, energy, and delaying my goal. What is the maximum that I want? Some food, some shelter. How great shelter I want? How much great food I want? How much can we eat? Some ordinary place is there to stay, some normal food is there, that is good enough. And then I can put all my time for sadhana. Instead, we go on doing other things, not realizing it doesn't help me much. So, Tan Shikshayan, Acharya wants to teach them that don't put forth effort elsewhere. It sounds so funny, when let's say, for example, you want to get some water by drilling a well. Water is here, and you go on drilling elsewhere. I know it is there. I know it is there. But first, let me do this. First, let me do that. First, let me finish this. By then, how many other problems will start? Who knows? हित्वा जात्यादि संबंधान वाचोन्याः सह कर्मभिः ओमित्येवं सदात्मानं सर्वं शुद्धं प्रपद्यथ हित्वा जात्यादि संबंधान वाचोन्याः सह कर्मभिः ओमित्येवं सदात्मानं सर्वं शुद्धं प्रपद्यथ. Bhashyakara means Acharya here is quoting lot of Upanishads. If you see earlier 10-15 shlokas, all Upanishads are referred. Now Mundaka is being referred. Jatyadi sambandhan hitva anya vacho कर्मभिः सह हित्वा अन्य वाचो विमुंचथ. This is the quotation. जात्यादि संबंधन means जाति नीति कुल गोत्र दूरगम नाम रूप guna. So jati adi, that in order to perform karma, I need to have jati, I need to have nakshatra, all those things. When is my birth and what is my gotra, etc. Hitva. Karma bihi saha, along with karma. Anya vacho, anyaha vachaha. All other talks also, all anatma related talk, give them up. Anya vacho vimunchatha. ओमित्येवं सदात्मानं सर्वं शुद्धं प्रपद्यथ. The Anvaya is same. Always dwell on Om. Prapadyatha, in Shruti it is given Dhyayatha. See, the quotation is given in Tika. यस्मिन् द्यौः पृथिवी चान्तरिक्षमोतं मनः सह प्राणैश्च सर्वैः तमेवैकं जानथ आत्मानमन्या वाचो विमुञ्चथामृतस्यैष सेतुः. And Om ityeva dhyayatha atmanam. This is another quotation. Iti cha vakyadvayam atra udaharanam. Vakyadvayam means mantradvayam. Two mantras are the quotations. Both are in Mundakopanishad 225, 226. Yasmin. Yasmin atmani. Dyauhu means Swargadi Loka. Prithvi. Antariksham in between. So Swaha. Bhuhu in between Bhuvaha. Bhuhu Bhuvaha Swaha. Otam. Otam. What is the dhatu?
ओहा त्यागी.
No.
Ve dhatu.
Ve. Ve, what is the meaning? Ve is
Santu Santane.
Tantu Santane. Otam and Protam both have this Nishtha Pratyaya. In Ve, Nishtha Pratyaya will make it Otam and Protam also. Antariksham Otam. Manaha Sarvaihi Pranaishcha Saha Otam. And Manaha Sarvaihi Pranaihi Saha. Sarva Prana means what? What are the pranas? What are the pranas? Prana and Indriyani. See the second line. I'm going to ask a question. Tamevaikam janatha atmanam anya vacho vimunchatha eshaha amrutasya setuhu. Eshaha amrutasya setuhu. Tam eva ekam atmanam janatha. You know that one atma. Eshaha amrutasya setuhu. Eshaha kaha?
मनः सह प्राणः प्राणैश्च.
Amrutasya setuhu. Setu means bridge. What is the bridge to immortality?
Prana, which is Hiranyagarbha.
Huh?
Prana, which is Hiranyagarbha.
No. Where it is given tam eva ekam atmanam janatha. Know the atma. What is the amrutasya setu? From this vakya, amrutasya setu is atma. What will give immortality? Atmanam is in Dvitiya. Tam eva ekam atmanam janatha. Know the atma. Eshaha amrutasya setu. Eshaha kaha? Atma. Atma is Amritasya Setu. Anya Vacho Vimunchatha. Give up all the other talks. Give up all other unnecessary thinking. Talks means not that you have to talk. External talks also you have to give up. Mental garbage also you have to let go. Eshah Amritasya Setuhu. Now tell me, Atma is Amritasya Setu? Those who have studied Mundaka,
No.
then what is Amritasya Setu?
Knowing I am Atma.
Atma is there all the time. If Atma was Amritasya Setu, everybody would be immortal because everybody is Atma. Atma is not Amritasya Setu. Atma Jnanam is Amritasya Setu. This I have explained to those people who have studied Mundaka twice. They better think what they are capturing. Amritasya Setu is Atma Jnanam. But then the objection will be Atma Jnanam is Napunsaklinga. Atma Amritasya Setu is Pullinga Shabda. That part is Chandasa. Jnanam will give you immortality, not Atma. Om ityevam dhyayatha atmanam. Om ityevam atmanam dhyayatha. Meditate on Atma as Om. Iti cha vakyadvayam atra udaharanam. Anya vacho vimunchatha it is given. Anya vacho anatma vishayaha pravritti paraha. Vachaha doesn't mean only speech. Big Tikakar says pravritti also. All other pravritti you give up. All other external activity, kaika, vachika and manasa. So vachaha refers to all three. Anatma vishayaha anya vachaha. In Brahadaranyaka there is a mantra which says Vacho viglapanam hitat. Nanudhyayan bahun shabdan Vacho viglapanam hitat. It is vak viglapanam. It is tiring of speech. So this is what happens. Our sattva, if we want to maintain, then we should keep it only for Shastra Adhyanam. We start doing other things, we start mixing Rajoguna, Tamoguna. Then with that mind, when we study Shastra, mukhya things, main teachings, we lose somewhere. And general meaning, anybody who studies Shastra for a few years, they can give general meaning to any Vakya. Any mantra, any shloka, general meaning, how difficult it is. What is the difference between someone who has studied thoroughly, properly, and somebody who casually listens to something here, there, and that person also will give general meaning. वो तो साधारण अर्थ इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट. Then you are not padavakya pramanagnya. And in particular, those who are teaching Vedanta, they better be more careful. सर्वं सर्वाधारभूतं शुद्धं विविक्तं निर्विशेषम इत्यर्थः. The shloka says सर्वं शुद्धं प्रपद्यथ. सर्वं सर्वाधारभूतं. It is adhishthana rupa. Adhar here means adhishthana. Shuddham viviktam. And it is free from all impurities. Viviktam. Nirvishesham. It is nirvishesham. That nirvishesha Atma I am. What should happen is this. If somebody talks about your Vishesha, means let's say your Guna, and in my mind I say, no, I am Nirvishesha. I am not this. They are talking about some other Anatma with glorified Anatma package. This is not who I am. If I am capable to tell myself, remind myself regularly, this will happen when my Nirvisheshatva Chintanam, and actually I love Nirvishesha myself, then Savishesha myself. Then it will happen. If I love Savishesha myself with Upadhi, that means I really don't love Atma. I want to remain Sopadhika. Then Paramatma says, then be that, remain Parichinna. Don't say Aham Brahma Asmi. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Buddhiveda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.